Chapter 6: Forensic Breakthroughs with a Nationwide Recall in Motion. Investigators turned their full attention to the forensics. Every capsule, every bottle, every shipment became a critical piece of evidence. Chemists in labs worked around the clock, analyzing Tylenol for traces of cyanide, the poison that had turned an ordinary medicine into a deadly weapon. The discovery of potassium cyanide in multiple bottles confirmed the investigators' worst fears. These were not accidental deaths. The poison had been deliberately introduced, a calculated act of murder designed to exploit trust. Forensic teams developed new methods to detect contamination, marking one of the earliest large-scale applications of forensic toxicology in product tampering cases. Authorities painstakingly traced the distribution of tampered bottles, mapping their journey from manufacturer to pharmacy. Patterns emerged, revealing that the killer had targeted specific stores in the Chicago area, demonstrating knowledge of both logistics and human behavior. It was a chilling insight into the mind of someone who could manipulate routine with lethal precision. The forensics didn't stop at chemicals. Investigators analyzed fingerprints, packaging, and shipping records. They interviewed store clerks, delivery drivers, and manufacturers' employees. Every clue had to be pieced together meticulously. One misstep could allow the killer to strike again. The breakthrough came when scientists confirmed that the cyanide had been introduced after manufacturing a deliberate act by someone outside the production line. This revelation shifted the investigation from an industrial accident to a criminal manhunt, intensifying the search for the unseen hand behind the deaths. For the public, the news brought mixed relief and dread. Relief that investigators were closer to understanding the threat. Dread that the person responsible remained at large, their motives unknown, their next move unpredictable. The Tylenol murders had become a national symbol of fear, but the forensic work provided the first glimmer of hope. The killer could be identified, captured, and stopped. Chicago's finest, alongside federal agents and scientists, now had the tools, knowledge, and resolve to pursue justice. The race against time had never been more urgent.